7, 8, and 9 are solving word problems that you can set up as a proportion. Word problems that you can set up as proportions are known as direct variation problems. If one thing goes up, the other thing should also go up. The faster I run or the more minutes I run, the more miles I'm going to get. So they start off with what they call as a rate. Bob runs 3 miles in 25 minutes. So 3 miles in 25 minutes. At the same rate, how many miles would he run in 60 minutes? When I set it up, I want to make sure that since my miles are on top here, my miles are on top here. How many miles would he run in 60 minutes? Now I just put the labels there so you could see that I have the like things on the top. It'd be the same thing as 3 over 25 equals x over 60 without all the writing in there. So again, I'm just going to cross multiply to solve it. 25 times x would be 25x. 3 times 60 would be 180. And then in order to solve that for x, we're just going to go ahead and divide by 25. So 180 divided by 25 would give me 7.2. And these ones you are going to just use the decimals in. So 7.2 miles. I can go 3 miles in 25 minutes, and I can go 7.2 miles in 60 minutes. So Raina drove 300 miles using 14 gallons of gas. 300 miles using 14 gallons of gas. At this rate, how many gallons of gas would she need to drive 375 miles? How should I write my other rate?
370 over x.
375 over x, right? 375 miles and how many gallons? So cross multiplying here, I like to do the pair with the x, so 300x would equal, and what's 14 times 375 then? 5,250?
Yes.
And then again, in order to solve that for x, all we're going to do is divide. 17.5. So if we go 300 miles using 14 gallons of gas, we can go 375 miles if we use 17.5 gallons of gas. Lamar, that's supposed to say runs, 7 miles in 50 minutes. At the same rate, how many miles would he run in 15 minutes? So how could I set up my proportion?
7 over 50 equals x over 15.
Exactly. 7 miles over 50 minutes. How many miles over 15 minutes? So if we cross multiply, we would get
50x.
Equals 105. And when we divide, 2.1 you said?
Yes.
So 2.1 miles. If I go 7 miles in 50 minutes, I'm only going to make it 2.1 miles in 15 minutes. Is that typo while I'm thinking about it?